Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this super cute double braided curly ponytail with the laid baby hairs, the defined curls, cute braids, all that, stay tuned. I want to show y'all exactly how I got it. Okay, y'all, so this is how I'm starting off with my dry hair. I had just washed my hair the night prior, and I used this Suave Almond and Shea Butter shampoo and conditioner to obviously shampoo and condition my hair. My hair was dirty, and I just needed a good clean. And to deep condition, I actually used this Berry Curl conditioner by Oli Oils. And to start off this hairstyle, I'm going to go ahead and separate the front sections from the back to prepare for the braids. And after tying off the back, the first thing I'm going to do is just perfect this part. Make sure it's nice and super straight. I went for a middle part, but with this style, you can do a side part as well. That would have been very cute. Or you could have did like a diagonal part. It's so many different options, but I opted for the middle part. I want my hair to be very moisturized with these braids. So I'm starting off with water, obviously. And then I'm going to comb or brush my hair out with my brush. And then I'm going to go in with this Palmer's Olive Oil moisturizing hair milk. And I really like this product. And I also be using the olive oil curl extend hair pudding. But first I'm going to add a nice healthy amount of the moisturizing hair milk all over my hair from the roots to the ends. And I kept smelling my hands and hair because I haven't used this product in a while and I could not figure out if it smelled right. But that's how my hair looked afterwards. My hair loves olive oil, so my hair looked really good. But right here, you're going to see me. I didn't show you the bottle, but I'm actually going in with a little bit of Gorilla Snot, if I'm not mistaken, to kind of lay the area down first. And now I'm going to braid my hair. This is not a braiding tutorial. I'm just kind of showing you that I'm doing it. And yeah. And once I'm at my ends, I'm going to go in with the olive oil curl extend hair pudding and add a nice amount of that to my ends since it's a heavier product and I want my ends to be moisturized. And I'm going to finish the braid. And once I get to the actual ends, I'm going to apply a rubber band. And once I get done, this is what it looks like. I'm pulling it back to see how it will look when I get done with the style. And I actually pull the braids back and it looks pretty darn good to me. And now I'm just touching it up. So I'm actually going in with wet line gel if I'm not mistaken. But it could be Gorilla Snot, but I'm pretty sure it's wet line. And applying some more of that, going in with my fine tooth comb and combing it down, pushing any loose hairs underneath the braid, just making sure it looks as clean as I can get it because I'm not perfect at braiding, you know, so I just wanted to clean it up. And then I pin that braid up and do the other braid off camera. Y'all didn't need to see that again. And that is both braids done. And now you see me touching up this braid. And do y'all see that freaking gray hair? I don't know why that gray hair did not assimilate with the rest of the hair, but there it is. I'm going to only show y'all the baby hair on this side, but as you can see, I'm laying my edges. I'm using Gorilla Snot Gel, and I just lay my hair in a swoop motion, as you can see. And it's pretty easy to lay my baby hair. I do it all the time. It kind of lays naturally, but I'm going to be quiet and let y'all watch. Once my edges are done, this is what they look like. They look really, really good, if I say so myself. But now it's time to get started in the back. So I'm going to like wet it and detangle it in two sections. So as you see right here, I am wetting this side and I'm going to detangle it. And then I'm also going to do the same exact thing on the other side. And after both sides are detangled, I'm going to go in with this moisturizing hair milk in a nice heavy amount, because I'm going to split all of that between both of the sections, and just make sure the middle and all of that is nice and moisturized. And I'm going to work that in, as you can see. And y'all, I have to say that I was so surprised by the length of my braids. I thought I would have had to like struggle to put the braid inside the ponytail. It was so easy. My hair has gotten so long. But as you see right here, I took my oil and I am working that in to make sure I seal in that first layer of moisture. And then now I am combing my hair out with my brush, and then I'm actually going to take my wide tooth comb and start combing my hair into place, working out all the tangles. And then once it's up with that, I'm going to go in with my brush again and go over it all over one more time, just to make sure it's tangle free and smooth. And then I'm going to go in with my Gorilla Snot Gel, which you finally see right here, and put that all over the perimeter of that back half. I put my hair in a loose bun, as you can see, but once the gel is all over, I'm going to take that bun out, brush it up, and then I'm going to take 2 ponytail holders after that and tie that around my hair quite a few times, like 4 or 5 times. Then once that's done, I'm going to, this is out of here look, but I'm going to split it in half and comb out each half. As you see right here, I'm going to comb the other half off camera. And then this is just how it looks once they're both combed out. I'm going to go in with my comb just to, you know, further smooth it. And then I'm going to go in with the Curl Extend pudding, which you see right here, and use that to apply the last layer of moisture, I guess, and to just further define my curls. So as you see, I'm really working that in. And then you're actually going to see that I'm going to go in with my brush and define certain sections, just to make sure that that my curls have, you know, the best definition possible. As you can see, I'm taking this braid and wrapping it around my ponytail. Then I'm going to bobby pin it in place, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other braid off camera. And this is how it looks once that's done. Okay, so I am done with my hair. I am going to put a scarf on while I get dressed, and I may be back later, or I may just insert some clips, I don't know. But yeah, I like the style. My ponytail looks nice and curly and healthy. My hair is not nearly as long as what it was before I cut it, clearly, but it's getting longer. Like, you see that hang time? Yeah, let me go ahead and get dressed. Never came back to film like a formal like outro clip or whatever. So this is my hair after taking off the scarf, and as you can see, it looks really, really good. I thought, you know, wrapping the braid around the ponytail gave it like a cute different look. I don't know, but I thought it was super cute. And then this right here is my hair after a full day. You get to see the ponytail fully dry and just how it looked. Kind of sweated my baby hairs out, so they're like curly now, but it's still cute in my opinion. But that is it for this video. So if you all enjoyed it, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.